Welcome to the Informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. Guys, if you enjoy learning about cryptocurrency, educating yourselves, then make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell to stay tuned for any new videos that we bring out to our community. Guys, we would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Moving on to the Fear and Greed Index, guys. Here we have currently extreme fear for Bitcoin. We're currently at around 25. I mean, we're a little up, from yesterday. We were at 20 in the week before. So, the market is a little bit up in the sense of sentiment, wise, but we're still in extreme fear. If you come down to the chart as well, we're still down here trying to make a base. That 20 is key. So stay tuned to see how, the Fear and Greed Index is going to react, in the next couple of days. Immediately we move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's current price is around 20 grand a pop. That key pivotal $20,000 level for Bitcoin. We do see that today's candle is currently bearish. We do see a buy wick here, but I mean, we have a red candle for the day. It hasn't closed, so let's see how it's going to close, in a couple of hours. But, overall, like we were explaining in our crypto charts, episodes for the past couple of days, we were in an ascending triangle here. We broke out to the upside. Usually once these patterns break, if we can't break that upper resistance level, then what price likes to do is to come right back down, retest that key, what was resistance, turn it into support before continuing on up. So again, that's a possibility, guys. Please keep that in mind. And again, we got rejected right at that key resistance level of $20,300 that we've been stating in our crypto charts shorts. That's what we've been talking about for the past couple of days, that key resistance level. So now we're waiting to see if we're going to come back down here and touch the support of $19,550. If it holds, then we expect, further move to the upside towards that $20,800 level. If it doesn't hold, then, the next support would be that $18,800 level. So again, we have to stay tuned in the next couple of days to see how, Bitcoin is going to react. Now, on a weekly note, we continue to be below the 200-week moving average, so that's bearish. But we do see, what could be back-to-back green candles, in a sense. If we zoom in, we could see that technically, I mean, if you draw a downtrend, it's been bearish. It's been bearish, if you draw like this since August. So, a couple of months where we've had a couple of upswings, but, the trend is your friend until the end. So, we've been really, if you, at a macro weekly level, just going down, but with that said, this was a green candle last week. This current candle is green, is bullish, is positive. So again, we're piercing through that, what now could be confirmed as support of 19,550 pivotal level, on our way to that $20,800 level on the weekly. So again, we just have to stay tuned to see what Bitcoin is going to decide to do from here on to, Sunday when that candle decides to close. With regards to the Bitcoin dominance, recently we had an upswing, here for the past 4 days where we broke the previous resistance at 41.58%. And now we're trying to probably come back down to test it as support before, continuing on up to the 43.15% resistance level, which would be that key level. But we have to wait and see, So Bitcoin is gaining dominance in the market and against other altcoins. So, we have to stay tuned with that. And then the DXY, the Dixie, the dollar. Recently, for the past couple of weeks, as you can see here, has been going up. But again, the calm before the storm, guys. Right now, the dollar's going down. But again, this blue line has served as key support in this major uptrend of the dollar, for the past couple of months, really. And, for a good chunk of this year. So again, right now we came down to the 110 level. Clear support, as we can see with these two candles here. This candle hasn't closed, but it's considerably positive, bullish, green. We do see the sell wick at that key resistance level of 111.61. So we're in this range right now. We have to see if we're gonna stay in this range, or what decision will the dollar do, either break support or resistance. So that's what we're here to actually stay on top of that. But again, that key blue trend line towards the upside is the key, to understand the dollar's, strength and uptrend as of late. So, but, for the past couple of days, we've been going down from that 114, 415-ish levels, so we have to wait and see if these support levels are going to hold down here. Then, we expect, if it holds down here, to continue on up and make, new local highs towards that 120.88. If not, then, what we expect is, if we don't hold this blue line, then we expect further continuation to the 107.09 in the short term. And then in the more longer term, the the 100 point level on the index would be that next key support level for the dollar. Let's actually go ahead and draw that right there. Let's see, 100, yeah, it would be around here, give or take 100, 101. So yeah, that's what we're looking at with regards to the dollar as of late. So now we're gonna move on to the list of the top performing cryptos for the past week, guys. So let's start with Bitcoin, BTC, the king, currently at around $20,000 a pop, down up 2.20% in the past 7 days. Then we have Ethereum, currently at around $1,350, up 0.33%. Then number 3, BNB, currently at around $292, almost $300 a pop, up 3.69%. Number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around half a dollar, give or take, currently up 8.63%. And then we have Cardano to round it off, currently at around about 0.43 cents, down 2.29% in the past week, the past 7 days. Then we move on to let's see, we have here the best performing top 5 cryptos for the past week. We start with number 1, Elrond, currently at around $54, up 14.49%. Number 2, Maker, currently at around $838, up 14.40%. Then we have number 3, Convex Finance, CVX. Sorry, that's the pharmacy coins. You guys, pharmacy coin, you guys already know. It's currently at around $5.57, up 12.59%. Then we have number 4, the scam. Even scams go up sometimes. You guys already know. And then number 5, to round it off, Polygon Matic, currently at around 0.84 cents and is up 13.07% for the past week. Then we move on, to the worst performing top 5 assets, for the past week. Start with number 1, the restaurant coin, Chili's, currently at around 21 cents, down 10.81%. Number 2, IOTA, currently at around 0.27 cents, down 7.87%. Number 3, Steppen, GMT, currently at around 0.62 cents, down 7.60%. Number 4, Huobi token, currently at around $4 a pop, down 7.55%. And then number 5, to round it off, we have Lido DAO, currently at around $1.50 and is down 7.16%. Guys, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you guys like the video, sub to our YouTube channel. In the description down below, you can find a link to our website where you can come here, check our other social networks, access to cryptocurrency exchanges, just tools and resources that you would need on your crypto journey. Guys, again, like the video, sub to our YouTube channel here, click on the notification bell. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Have a good one.